Welcome to the Client Tips and Tricks series by Gideon Taylor. Today, we're going to be talking about implementing configured formatting rules for fields in your GT eForms. Note that format rules are available in Framework 3.76 and higher. Sometimes, you want to ensure the type of data a user enters into a field is formatted in a certain way or meets specific criteria. For example, maybe you have an email address field in your form that the user fills out. With formatting rules, you can validate that the characters they enter are formatted like a typical email address through configuration. No PeopleCode required. To do that, you can create a new formatting rule and type in regular expression logic that defines the criteria for your field. You can also define what error message the user should receive if the field's data doesn't meet the requirements. In this example, the regular expression, or regex, ensures typical characters for a username, followed by an @ sign, then a domain name ending in something like .com, .edu, or .co. Don't worry. If you're not familiar with regex, a simple Google search or an AI assistant can often reveal a regular expression that will meet your needs. You're always welcome to reach out to us at support@gideontaylor.com if you're having trouble defining a regular expression for your field. In the field details in your form setup, you now have a format rule field where you can configure your new rule. Now, when the user enters data into the email address field, the framework ensures it follows the format rules you configured and provides the user an error if it doesn't. For more information on building formatting rules, check out the feature documentation on our GT Documents site. Thanks for watching.